here on Steven's 7-liter, you know, the 66 Galaxie in amber glow. Awesome! Anyway, first order of business, we're going to start our disassembly because we need to get in and reseal the intake manifold because it has a lot of vacuum leaks. So, here we go. Note, number 1 is not going to number 1. It's actually going to number 8. So, I think somebody didn't install the distributor exactly where it should go. But we'll get it all squared away. So I'm going to pull the wires and the plugs and all that out. Get those yanked. Get this heater hose stuff out. Get this emission stuff out for the air injection. Yes, this still does have air injection. And it's actually done very nicely. So we're going to get all that out. We're going to get these vacuum tube out of here. Get our carb out of here. Get our coil out of here. Just going to get things kind of stripped down today and get us close and hopefully finish it up tomorrow. Distributor caps off with our plug wires. And I'm getting ready to remove this vacuum tube here. You know, that PCV connects to, goes to the back there, all the stuff connects to. And that would make a vacuum leak. That's not good. Somebody wasn't paying attention. But nothing new. I'm always finding other people's screw ups. So that's how we roll. Pulling off the coil. Okay. Definitely need some TLC in this wiring. Alright, we have our carburetor removed. Oy! Set that down there for a moment. Look, check out our base gaskets. See what they used and if it's even remotely, moderately correct. Pull that baby out. Looks like it was sealing. And I don't know why they have it doubled up down here. But that is the OE spacer with and that's an OE style gasket. Ooh, that's on there too. Fun, we get to play scrapey scrapey. Yucky, yucky, yucky. All right. Well, get that to look forward to. So more things that haven't been completely done properly. Let's make a vacuum leak. That'll make it run rough too. So that wasn't clamped down and sealed. So that was with our PCV. Remember, this end was loose too. So that's off. Okay. One other thing I've noticed is take note at this hard line that provides vacuum to the booster. It's been twisted and crushed and bent and not properly taken care of. I can probably make us a new one of those. Or worst comes to worst, I might just cut it here and run a longer hose around back. Get us back to our form and function. So we stop having vacuum leaks. God. Our wiring harness is up and out of the way. Getting ready to remove our bracket here for our throttle. Get that all out. And then we'll probably pull our valve covers. Oh, look. Another loose. Wow. All right, passenger side valve cover is off. And as always, you do need to where the manifold meets. There's always a little bit of silicone there, but looks like someone did a little overkill and then went a little crazy on tightening, it looks like. So I'm gonna have to clean that up, obviously. We do have to tear all this apart still. But everything looks pretty clean. The oil looks nice, mainly because I changed it just a little bit ago. So it's clean. Putting in here is pretty clean. It's not all coked up or anything. Yeah. No qualms, no complaints so far. With that, anyway. Now I get to clean up someone's silicone mess again. All right, both valve covers are now off, out of the way. So that situation is resolved. Next time we'll get the distributor out. We'll pull the manifold bolts and the rocker shaft hardware and get the rest of our air injection system off and out of the way. And then we'll have this manifold off. We also have to drain the cooling system too. That's coming next.